Have you ever wondered how those neon signs light up the night? It's not just electricity, it's a fascinating process involving a special type of gas. Today, we're diving into the world of neon pay, a unique method used to power these iconic signs. Neon pay is a specific technique used to illuminate neon signs. Unlike traditional light bulbs, neon signs don't have a filament that heats up to produce light. Instead, they rely on the properties of neon gas. The neon tube, the heart of a neon sign, is the neon tube. This tube is made of glass and is filled with neon gas at a low pressure. The tube is then connected to a high-voltage transformer. The role of electricity: when the transformer is activated, it sends a high-voltage electrical current through the neon tube. This current excites the neon atoms within the tube. Excitation of neon atoms: as the electrical current passes through the tube, it strips electrons from the neon atoms. This process is known as ionization. The ionized neon atoms, now missing electrons, are in an excited state. Emission of light: to return to a stable state, the excited neon atoms release energy in the form of light. The specific wavelength of light emitted by neon atoms corresponds to the color red. This is why classic neon signs are often red. Other colors in neon signs: while red is the most common color for neon signs, other colors can also be achieved by filling the tubes with different gases. For example, argon gas produces a blue glow, while helium produces a yellow glow. The transformer plays a crucial role in neon pay. It increases the voltage of the incoming electricity to a level that can excite the neon atoms. The transformer also regulates the current flowing through the tube, ensuring consistent illumination. Advantages of neon pay: neon pay offers several advantages over traditional lighting methods. Neon signs are highly durable and can withstand harsh weather conditions. They are also energy efficient, consuming less electricity than incandescent bulbs. Neon signs in modern times: while neon signs were once a common sight in cities around the world, their popularity has declined in recent years due to the rise of LED technology. However, neon signs still hold a special place in our hearts and continue to be used for artistic and nostalgic purposes. Neon pay is a fascinating process that allows us to create the iconic neon signs that have captivated us for generations. By understanding how neon pay works, we can appreciate the beauty and ingenuity behind these timeless creations. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.